Welcome to the product demo of the Wood-Mizer Resaw attachment. Built in the USA, this resaw attachment will turn your Wood-Mizer sawmill into a versatile resaw to efficiently process cants into boards, recover wood from slabs, create lap siding, and more. Let's take a look. Maximize the versatility of your sawmill with a resaw attachment, which is available as an add-on at any time for LT15 through LT70 sawmill models with a power feed. For LT15 model sawmills, an additional stand is required. This resaw attachment is designed for hobby and professional sawyers and is a perfect addition for anyone who wants to minimize waste from saw material or expand their product offering. Material up to 9 inches thick and 18 inches wide is fed through the stationary sawmill head by a powered conveyor belt with variable speed. With the sawmill blade engaged, material is cut into 2 pieces with each pass. There is no practical limit for material length as long as it is able to be fed on the resaw conveyor belt. For additional processing, material can be returned to the conveyor and fed through the sawmill blade until finished. The conveyor belt is easily adjusted and can be positioned at 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 degrees to produce straight cut boards or angled lap siding for specialty projects. For additional flexibility, an optional shingle belt can be added to make shingles up to 18 inches long. With 2 sets of stop blocks on the belt, one end of the material is placed on the blocks, while the other end is placed on the conveyor belt to create an angled cut for wood shingles. The resaw attachment is powered by a 12-volt electric motor and offers a feed speed of up to 54 feet per minute. It saws material from 1/4 of an inch to 9 inches tall and boards 18 inches or longer. The best part? It's incredibly simple to set up and operate. Simply bolt the attachment to the frame on your Wood-Mizer sawmill, and if you already have your power feed attached, you're ready to start resawing. The resaw attachment is manufactured in the heartland of the United States at our company-owned facility, which provides for the best combination of premium quality equipment and a lower end cost for you. With decades of manufacturing experience, Wood-Mizer employees in the central Midwest of the USA have been manufacturing high-quality Wood-Mizer equipment for global markets since 1982. Sales of parts and blades, service, and support are always available through your local Wood-Mizer representative. The resaw attachment comes fully assembled, so you can begin resawing as soon as you add it to your sawmill. Thank you for watching the demo of the resaw attachment. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.